Hey, let me quickly show you how we can connect Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro to any Apple iPhone. So first of all, to turn on this device, you have to actually plug charger. So you can find this charger in your box and you have to plug it right here into this gold pins. It looks like this. There we go. Now when you plug it into your charger and this second end of the cable plug into any power supply, like for example your charging brick, like this one, your PC. In my case, I just connect it into my phone. It will be turned on and you will be welcome with this screen. After this, you can actually unplug this cable. You don't need it anymore. And you will have to actually select the language. Let me just catch focus on it. There we go. So in my case, I'm selecting the English. And now we've got information that we have to download the Mi Fitness application on our device. So let's do this. On our iPhone, you have to simply go into the App Store and also be sure that you turn on the mobile data or Wi-Fi network. So go into the App Store. From this, click on this search and input this application name, Mi Fitness. You can also pick this recommendation, and that's actually the name of the application that we have to download. If you download this application, click to open. Now, if you open it and you have any permission, like in my case, just accept everything. Location, the Bluetooth access, so turn on the Bluetooth, then just go back. Now, as you can see from here, we have to go into the Bluetooth settings and select the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. So let's do this. As you can see, it appears right here, so select your band. Now, accept pairing on your iPhone and on your band. Now it looks like we are successfully connected, so let's go back into this application. Go into the device, and now from this, select Connect. Click to add. Now accept this pairing one more time on your iPhone and on your watch. Now accept all of these notifications that is popping on your screen. And you can additionally click to synchronize. And now as you can see, we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.